In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the front headlight on a Toyota Land Cruiser j100. First, open the hood. To gain access to all of the headlight mounting points, we need to remove the front grille. Without removing the grille, it won't be possible to reach all of the fasteners that hold the headlight in place. The grille is secured by clips at the top. In my case, there are screws installed instead of the factory clips, so I'll remove those. If your vehicle still has the original clips, carefully remove them from both sides. Once the clips or screws are removed, gently pull the grille forward and set it aside. Now we have full access to the headlight mounting bolts. As you can see, there is one bolt here, a second bolt on the top, and another mounting bolt located on the inner side of the headlight. Remove all of these bolts using a 10mm socket and ratchet. After all the mounting bolts have been removed, carefully pull the headlight assembly forward. Don't remove it completely just yet, as there are electrical connectors attached to the back of the headlight. Disconnect all wiring connectors and plugs from the headlight, and then you can safely remove the entire assembly from the vehicle. That's it, the front headlight is now removed. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.